Alright, in this video I'm going to change out the VC120 charcoal canister seen on the right with the AC Delco on the left. This is the old one. You can see there's only two ports there, tank and the purge. On this one there are three, the tank purge and the fresh air intake on the top. On the VC120 on the right, the air intake is on the bottom. Those are the main differences. The AC Delco canister will allow me to use the Toyota factory air intake. On the original Toyota charcoal canister, the fresh air intake came in through the bottom of the canister, attached to the bottom of the canister, and the hose ran down to the frame on the interior, on the inside of the frame next to the engine mount. You will need to replace this tubing with a longer piece of fuel line.